Today I'm going to be installing these LED bulbs. They have the resistors built in, so you're not going to get the hyper flash, and they're a whole lot brighter than the halogens that are in there. In order to get to the turn signal, you're going to actually have to go through here, through the fender well. So I've parked the truck, I've turned the driver's side wheel all the way to the passenger side to make these bolts not only easier to get to, but when you move this plastic, it gives you a little more space, a little more operating room to get to. You're going to need a 10 mil socket to get to it. I like to use power tools. Makes it quicker. So I'm going to pull these out. I've trimmed this plastic a little bit already, just for tire clearance. And so it's going to look a little bit different than what you might have. Okay, now that we've got the plastic out of the way, we can just push to the side and we're going to reach up in there. It's nearly impossible for me to film in there. You've got a gray plug. It's got a bunch of wires coming out of it, and that's going to be your turn signal flasher module. So we're going to pull that out, swap out the bulbs. Okay, the new bulb was swapped in. That took me maybe 30 seconds to do. This is an easy job, seriously. If you're not even good at DIY stuff, you can do this. Everything's put back together. I'm going to now move over to the passenger side, and it's the same process. I'll wait for it to get dark, and we'll kind of see what it looks like at night and how much of an improvement this is. Here's a good look at the blinking, just to see what it puts out against the wall. Here's a night look at the standard halogens before I replace them with the new LEDs. Okay, so the after, I'm really pleased with the color that these put off. It's really nice amber instead of the bright orange. You can kind of see the reflection there. There it goes. I'll pull it around so you can see the brightness when I turn on the indicators. These are insanely bright, way brighter than the halogens. Really happy with this mod and installing these.